Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from Wise to Union Bank. It is pretty easy and simple to do. Just open up your app and click on the payments right here. After that, you go to the payments and click on the send button. Then you will need to select your currency, so you can enter it right here or find it right here. After you select the currency, you will need to add a recipient, like find on Wise by search tag, email or mobile number. And here you will be able to enter bank details. So select one of those. So if you are doing Union Bank transfer, you may select bank details. Here, choose your recipient, select someone else, and enter the account details. As you can see, if you don't see IBAN or SWIFT code option, just click on recipient's bank details, and here you will be able to change to IBAN or SWIFT code. So that's pretty much it. You'll need to enter their details, put the amount that you want to send it, and that's pretty much it. Click on the send button and your money will be sent. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.